Hello, today I'm going to show you how French awards looked in 2022. I'm also going to add what I've done before the awards and after. The awards were in Paris, so obviously I couldn't miss the opportunity to visit Paris again. Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you. After getting off the plane, I went to drop my bags off and I was living in buildings that are called cabbages. In French, it's pronounced as choux de Créteil, and they call it as a village of concrete cabbage. This was so symbolical and also funny for me because the theme of the awards this year was 70s, and also these buildings are supposed to be the symbol of French architecture of 70s. And of course I had to go and see Eiffel Tower. I've seen it a couple of times during daytime, but this time I wanted to see it during nighttime, and of course it was beautiful. Next in the queue was Louvre, and next day I headed there. You know, I'm never bored at museums because I was used to it since my early childhood, but this trip was something. I was there with my friend Kate, who also was my model for the awards, and we had so much fun, probably because of her funny comments or just a good company. And next day we had a competition day, and obviously it started with painting. I don't have many pictures from painting itself because I was quite busy. As I already said, theme was 70s. I've planned so much for this painting, so I was busy all the time through. I'm glad that I had Chloe, my assistant. She helped me a lot as well. After time is gone, you need to go to judges to show your work and to tell what you meant, what you wanted to say through your painting. Obviously, I don't have pictures from there, but here's a little bit from organizers, and full video you can see probably on their YouTube channel or on Facebook group. As soon as you're finished with judges, you go out to professional photoshoot. It is organized by French Awards, so afterwards you have really nice pictures.
Maybe.
I managed to paint everything I wanted and I liked how it looked, so I'm pretty pleased with my work. After photoshoot, we had I think around an hour until the stage time. Probably it's for counting the scores for judges, I'm not sure. We spent this time going around and taking pictures, just enjoying yourselves. For the stage, you go according to your number, so we are lining up and then straight on the stage. Starting from right, there is a first, second and third place. Here you can see first part of the results, and I am placed fourth. Many people are asking me how the intro video was made, so this is how it looks from the side, and this is the final result. Normally, after such an event, there is an after party. Artists, models and organizers are going somewhere to have a drink. We also went, but I don't have any pictures of that. In the evening, me and my model also went for a walk close to the Cabbages buildings. I was taking part in brush and sponge category, but there was all category and creative makeup next 2 days. I was flying back the following day and didn't have time to go to other days and see what they're doing. So I spent half of this day just walking around, being in nature, enjoying good weather in suburbs of Paris.